BMF.
Hello, good people of planet Earth, guitarist and composer Tony Romano here. I'm very excited to be part of the Brooklyn Music Factory's Friday Night Lights concert series. I will be performing solo on Friday, March 9th at 7:30 p.m. I'll be playing compositions from my new CD release called Dance for One, which is out on the Centaur record label, which I'm very happy about. Here it is. And the music is a mixture of Brazilian, classical, jazz, improvisation. It's kind of genre melding. Genre melding. It's going to be a nice time. Always love being at the Brooklyn Music Factory, and hope to see you there on Friday, March 9th at 7:30 p.m.